Okay, you guys, we are about to make a Christmas wreath. I have the garland right here. This is, I don't know how long it is, but it comes with a little hook right there. And I forgot the name of it. I put it across the screen. I can't think of the name of it at this current moment. But yeah, that's what we're about to make. We have our ribbon in here and then ribbon in here as well. And I got some picks in this Aldi bag. I just threw them in this Aldi bag out of a tote. So I didn't have to bring that big old tote upstairs. Don't pay attention to the other stuff in the background because we're putting up the tree in the craft room. But let's make this wreath go on the porch so we can do our outside. And you guys can see I'm going with outside black, white, gold, and green. So I'm going to use this black and white, this green, this gold. Maybe because it has Merry Christmas on it, maybe I'll use it, but not too sure. Definitely not using this because it's got the brown. I'm going to use this on the inside of the house, but I know for sure I'm going to use these two and then whatever else I can find in here to use. But yeah, let's get started. Okay, y'all, the swag is completely fluffed. Now I'm about to go in with my mesh and then we'll go in with everything else. The mesh and the ribbon, then we'll go in with everything else. Okay, y'all, I was looking for my black and white stripe bulbs, but I can't seem to find them right now. I'm just going to go ahead and make the wreath without them, and I already know once I start doing the downstairs, because those are the colors going to be downstairs, I'm going to run into them. But I wanted to go ahead and get this over with and make it tonight. Here's the bulbs that I'm going to use. And then here is the ribbon. You got the black and white stripe, the white, the gold and black, the black, this mesh, and then this mesh as well. Thinking about using this, but I doubt very seriously because it don't go with what I'm trying to do. Okay, we are back. I have did my ribbon going up and down the, what is this thing called? I forgot it again, y'all. We just gonna say wreath, because why I keep forgetting that it's, girl, get your life together. But anywho, we got the ribbon going up and down it. Now we're about to make some clusters. I'm gonna show y'all the clusters. And we're gonna stick these picks in there. And that's gonna be that. When I find the black and white, once I start decorating, I'm just gonna add it to the wreath. That's probably once the video come out and all kinds of stuff after the fact and all kinds of stuff. But your girl, it's in one of them bins downstairs and we got about 5, maybe 6 of them. I don't think it's that many. I think it's 4. It's 4. Okay, but anywho, let's make some clusters and add these picks and we shall be done with this. Okay, here are my clusters. I use some Chanel stems, just pick random bulbs to put on. Yo, I really need my black and white bulbs. This is making me mad, but it's okay. I'm still gonna add them in the wreath once we're done. Y'all, I'll just add the picture to it. But I really need my black and white bulbs. But we're almost finished. I got the picks in there. This is the picks. And we're gonna add these bulbs and yeah. porch is all clean. Got to dry it off, and we're gonna pull out our Christmas decor. Not decor, Christmas decor. Some people say decor. Comment below if you say decor or decor. I know it's DE, but what do you say? But yeah, the chairs are all clean. The rugs are on side of the chairs. They are clean. The little tables are clean. Clean the planters and the lamp thingies. I just what are these things called? The little lamp thingies. Clean those. But this is the beginning. And we're about to put everything back once we blow the porch off and dry it. Okay, everything is back on the porch besides the planters and the lanterns. This side right here is going to have just the regular decor and the planters and stuff. This side going to have the tree because the plug is on this side. So we're going to put the tree on this side. But I shift everything down over here so we can have room for the tree. Because y'all know the tree is a big Santa boot plus the tree. The mister had to bring that thing back to life, y'all, because it was looking crazy after the move. Y'all know I haven't seen that thing in about 3 years at this point. Yeah, about 3 years, I think. Yeah, 3 or more years. And it was already broke when I bought it, but them folks tore that thing up. So the mister had to put it back together, but he got it back together with a little glue and what's the little stuff? Caulk and spray paint. It's back new. But anywho, this is what we got going on so far. Just this right here. And we're going to put these back on there. Then we're going to add the decor. The kids are up now, so I don't know how much I'm going to be able to get done. But let's try to get all of it done with them up. We're going to try and see what we can do. Sorry the noise. Of course, y'all know we outside and then the neighbors across the street. This boot looks good. Yo, the mister fixed the boot. Wow. But you can see it was like all this was cracked up, looking crazy, had a big gash down it. He got it looking good. He got him looking good again. They look good. He covered up the white part. So they look good. Y'all remember they was already kind of busted up right here. But he done put the Mod Podge, not the Mod Podge, y'all. This stuff. Caulking. And spray painted it. It looks so good. Period. So now we're waiting on them to dry, which they probably already dry. By the time he get back, they'll be completely dry because we got the quick dry paint. And then we're going to finish the porch. And that's going to be the end of this little quick video. But y'all, they look good. I was giving up. I'm like, oh my God, it's time to trash them. But nope. He put them back together so they can go on the porch. Because on the porch, you're only going to see the front. You're not going to see the sides. So when it was broke right here on the side originally, I'm like, okay, you ain't going to really see that anyway. So it don't even matter the way I used to stage it. It didn't even matter that you couldn't really see it. But now, yo, he done fixed it back. So let's get back into this porch decorating video.